Summer is in full swing and a heat dome hangs heavy in the air. Today we'll be on the trail with the Jetboil Minimo, making potato cheddar ramen. Basically using the odds and ends I had in my fridge that day, turkey kolbassa, and a baked potato. This is where I was born. And this is where the tree died. Where the fields are as high as an elephant's eye. Ooh, good times, good times. Gonna have me some fun. Alright, here we go. Starting with 2 tablespoons of butter. And here we have our diced baked potato. And underneath that, some diced KOLBASSA or KOLBASSA. A little hot sauce. It says Tabasco, but it's actually sriracha. And just a teeny bit of water to make sure we don't scorch the bottom of our Jetboil. The butter should melt pretty fast. Put the lid on this baby. Simmer. And right away we're going to have to stir. Wow, this smells so good. KOLBASSA and the butter, potato. Just got to keep it moving. Reduced about as far as I can reduce the simmer. I can barely see a flame, but I can hear it. Just want to make sure you're holding your cooking cup by the handles to give stability to the whole cook system. You don't want to put too much stress on the burner attachment. This is very durable, but you want long life out of your gear. Oh wow, that smells amazing. Alright, I'm going to kill the flame. Butter and potatoes and KOLBASSA. Oh yeah, baby, and a little black pepper. Flavor packet. Bam. No trace. Now let's add arugula. I love arugula. It's a weird word. Arugula. 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 KOLBASSA with baked potato that I fried up briefly with some butter and black pepper. So now we're going to add that to our ramen flavor explosion. Alright. Some more sriracha in a Tabasco jar. But that is sriracha sauce. Bit more of a stir, then let's cover that up. Alright, this should be about ready. And as always, we're having this with some dry toast that I toasted at home. And yeah, it's just a nice grainy bread. Always goes well with the ramen broth. Let's take a look at this, shall we? Yeah, look at that. We got some arugula, chunks of KOLBASSA. We got baked potato. Everything just jiving together. Let's dip some toast in that and see how the broth tastes. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like instant, just amazing. All the different flavors. That KOLBASSA tastes like there's like chunks of bacon in there. And, oh man, it's gonna be so much fun at the end with all the bits at the bottom. Oh, it's so nice. It's the heat dome, but I'm in the shade. Beautiful spot with no bugs. It's the combination of dragonflies and a breeze. It's beautiful. So cheers, folks. Wow. This is fantastic. Water, heat dome, water. Room service, room service. No, you're not getting away from me, KOLBASSA. KOLBASSA, you're mine. Oh, hey, sorry, I'm just eating lunch over here. I don't think you like it. I'm just glad you're not a bear. It soon became clear the deer was after my spot in the shade, so it was time to get back on trail. There's some new scat in the neighborhood. Looks fresh. Yo, bear.